long time no vlog. As you saw this morning, I woke up pretty early. I woke up around 7. I made some matcha and then I spent the first few hours of my morning catching up with work emails and then tidying up my room, which was much needed. Right now, I actually want to wash up. I want to wash my face, get my makeup and hair done because I would like to shoot some content today. I searched up a video last night on how to take pictures at home, and there were a few ideas that I got, so I'm going to go ahead and try that today. And yeah, so let's go ahead and wash up and then maybe we'll do a chitty chat. Get ready with me really quickly to share what I've been going through. For serum today, I'm going to try out the Ceramiracle True Bright Advanced Brightening Complex Serum. So it's very watery, watery formula. There is quite a strong fragrance to it, but it feels very lightweight. It's not sticky on my face. So far, so good. I'm excited to try this out in my skincare routine. It says use morning and evening. For best results, use with sunscreen in the morning, which I do anyway. So thank you, Ceramiracle, for sending this over. I'm excited to see how this works for my skin. I wanted to chit chat a bit about how I've been feeling the past month. Basically, my stress isn't anything personal, has nothing to do with my personal life. It's more about work, honestly. Go to bed each night already kind of stressing about the next day and worried about the workload that I have and how I'm gonna meet my deadlines, especially knowing my supervisors and everyone keep telling me it would have been different if we were in the office. Someone would literally be sitting with me, or I would be attending a lot of trainings and stuff. There was one week where I literally cried every single day because I was just so overwhelmed with what I was supposed to learn, or if I was learning it the right way, and what I was just supposed to do. I guess I'm just trying to put the feeling of gratefulness before my stress so that I'm not as overwhelmed. I've also been getting into manifestations. Was talking with my friend Farina. I said something kind of negative at one point. I was like, oh my god, but what if this happens? And she goes, don't even think that way. Your negative thoughts are also being put out there. I just never thought of it that way. I guess the overthinking is what's been preventing me from feeling more positive on a regular basis. And then she mentioned that August 27 was a perfect night to manifest things. So I actually bought a manifestation book a couple months ago. So this is the book. It's called Manifest Like Bliss by Jasmine Lipska. I was kind of busy that day and I didn't get to review the book during the day. So literally the last 1.5 hours of the day, at 10:30, I basically spent the rest of my night reading and writing at the same time. So I was just kind of going over the book and writing things that came up to my mind along the way. For the most part, it's when I'm feeling overwhelmed and I'm just trying to get my emotions out. And I realized I never write about my wishes. I never write about my dreams and my goals, and they're all just in my head. And that night I finally put my thoughts on pen to paper, and it felt amazing. I literally closed off my journal entry that night at 11:59 p.m. and I was just writing and writing, and I filled up almost 4 pages in my notebook, and I was so shocked to see how detailed I was with things that I wanted. I know it kind of is just very vague, but ever since that night, I've been waking up feeling a lot better about myself because I start off my day with a more like positive attitude, and I think about like, what have I done or what am I gonna do today to get closer to those goals. Like, it's not something I'm obsessing about, but now it's something I'm trying to work towards. It just makes me focus more on what I want to accomplish rather than like the kind of bad things or stressful things that are happening in my life. That is it for my manifestation spiel. I'm done getting ready, thinking of talking about it, maybe in a blog post or something, because I am revamping my website. Yes, now off to shoot some content and get on with my day. Hey everyone, it is 3:30 in the afternoon. It's actually really difficult sometimes to be shooting by yourself because you have to do like all the positioning, lighting, and everything by yourself. There's no one to really like guide you or help you with anything. So it took a while, but I'm done. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram. It's at nikkagabrielle to see what I shot today. At 5 o'clock, I have a workout with Kenny and our friends Alex and Marcos. It's actually been really fun working out with friends. I feel like just having everyone around each other, it makes me want to like push myself harder. We do kind of like circuit workouts, so basically like a series of like workouts and then we all take turns doing them. But it's been really fun. I feel like everyone's having a great time. I personally feel like I'm getting a lot stronger, but I haven't eaten anything today. I think I was just so like focused on like getting work done, getting content shot, that I just totally skipped eating. So I'm only running on my matcha latte from this morning and I'm starving and I should probably eat before the workout. So I'm gonna head over to the kitchen and then yeah, finish with my day. Graduates college and still eats like a college student.
Times are tough.